Install eFlexFuel, fill up and drive. eFlexFuel really is easy to install. All you need is a little basic car know-how. Of course, if you don't know your engine from your exhaust, that's okay. Your installation is even simpler. Just take your car to an official eFlexFuel partner service station and they'll take care of it all for you. Typically, it only takes 1 to 2 hours to install. But no matter how you want to go about it, you're probably wondering how it works. At eFlexFuel, we strive to be transparent. So let's take a look under the hood. eFlexFuel's E85 update kit is made up of 3 main components: the wiring harness, the ethanol sensor, and the control unit. The harness connects to the fuel injectors, while the sensor detects the ethanol content of the fuel mixture and fine-tunes the injection signals to ensure that the air-fuel ratio is optimal and that your fuel consumption and emissions levels are as ideal as possible. Once installed, the process is fully automatic, so you can just fill up and drive, though you can check the ethanol percentage and general functionality of your device from a mobile phone app to make sure things are working as they should. And with eFlexFuel, there's no exhaust fume smell, your engine doesn't encrust so easily, and it runs cooler and cleaner. Given that it's made in Finland, you can also rely on eFlexFuel to work even on the coldest day of the year. And you'll be able to fill your car with E85, normal gasoline, or a mix of the two. But when you're driving with bioethanol in your tank, you can breathe easier. You're saving money, supporting local bioethanol production, and doing your bit for the environment. So what are you waiting for? Not only is it easy to install, we also offer free shipping to anywhere in the world. Visit eFlexFuel.com and order your eFlexFuel upgrade kit today.